Hi people, I'm Annelia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I came on here looking a little bit crazy, but that's because I'm gonna be putting on a wig today, y'all. I just recently cut my hair. On top of just recently cutting my hair, my birthday's tomorrow and I was like, I need to do something with my hair. I was like, let me go and put on a wig. I'm gonna put a wig on now. Just an FYI, I am not a pro at wigs. I am a complete beginner. And to be honest with y'all, the only wig that I ever really put on is my headband wig. I'm a fan of Yaki hair. It looks more natural than the silky stuff. Does that mean I hate the silky stuff? No, but I just prefer Yaki. When I bought this wig that I'm about to show you guys, I thought, well, let me not say I thought. It was supposed to be Yaki, but what they sent me was not Yaki. What they sent me was straight up silky. It came out of the package silky. I actually bought it for my college graduation and I installed it myself. That was my first time. Why did I think that it was smart for me to practice gluing down my own wig, installing my own wig for my graduation? Why did I think that that was a smart idea? I was very ballsy. Like, who do I think I am? Now, did it come out perfect? No, but I mean, I'm a beginner, you know, I wasn't expecting it to come out perfect. I just wanted it to look decent and it looked decent enough. Fast forward to now, I wanted to buy a new wig, but there are so many expenses that have been popping up lately. I'm like, right now, a wig is not high up there on the priority list. So I have to save the wig for another day. And so, introducing Outre, and this is Isabella in the color 1B. You know, when you say something and then whatever it is that you said, it tries to like shame you and make it seem like you're a liar. Because now it almost wants to look Yaki. It almost wants to look like a Yaki texture. But I kid you not, it was not a Yaki texture when I took it out of the packaging when I first got it. Something else that I want to show you guys is, let me show y'all how I mess this lace right up. Look at the lace. Look how I cut it. Mainly this part. This is not what I was trying to do, but there's no turning back. It's done. What's done is done. I bought this. This is the Ebin tinted lace mousse in medium brown. Got this off of Amazon for like, I think $10 or so. But I did not use it the first time I put this wig on, and I'm probably not gonna use it this time. My lamp is like leaning to the side, y'all. I don't know what that's about. Let's ignore it. I tested it out on my arm and it just looks so orange and I'm not sure I'm a fan of that, so I'm just gonna use makeup on my lace instead of this stuff. Like I said, I'm not a pro, so this is not a tutorial. This is me attempting to actually install a wig properly. Well, I'm learning. This is a learning thing for me. And if you guys have any tips or tricks to help me out or to help each other out, please comment down below. I need help, y'all. I just don't want to be that person who's going to people paying them a ton of money to put wigs on my head, especially if I'm going to be wearing more of them now that I've cut my hair. I don't want to be that person who has to be spending a bunch of money going to somebody else to install the wigs when I can learn to do it myself. Come on now. So to lay my hair today, I will be using some styling glue, and I am going to be using this Ebin or Ebin. I don't know how you pronounce it. Is it Ebin or is it Ebin? I'm going to be using this. This is the New York Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray, Extreme Firm Hold Supreme. I don't have much left in here, to be honest, but this stuff is good. I used this the first time I laid my wig and this is really good. So these are what I'm going to be using. So let's see if I can lay my lace a little better than I did the first time. First, I want to show you guys how this wig kind of looks on my head. I have my mirror down here, so if you see me looking, that's what I'm looking at. My mirror. My mirror. So I am going to have to bring this down further down here. You gonna help me lay my wig?
Sure.
Really? Okay, is that the middle? Does this look like it's in the middle? Thank you. It's giving very much helmet.
I got helmeted.
What is wrong with you? If it's right here, it doesn't look as helmety. When I bring it forward some more, it does look more like a helmet.
Yes, it does.
I don't like you. If I had more lace here, it would cover up the stocking cap. Do y'all see the stocking cap? So I think this is where I need to put it. This is where I need to glue it down. Now, I will be honest with y'all, a little bit of my real edges are poking out, but guess what? I have the McDonald's hairline, okay? The M, I got it. So like my edges, they come out way out here. I don't know how to avoid that, especially with me putting the wig back here, because I'm not gonna lie, when I put it forward, it's almost like a helmet. Also, I don't know how to pluck in stuff. Should I try to pluck? I don't know. This video is all over the place because I just don't know. I don't know. But look, y'all, that almost looks natural. Okay, let me get some clips and I'm gonna see how best I can glue this hair down. Okay, guys, so I got my hair clipped out of the way and I'm just going to take this Dola hair wax stick and I'm going to use this just to make sure, just to try to smooth some of the hair out of the way. Part of me feels like I put a little too much. Like I said, these parts of my edges, I just can't hide them. So we're gonna let it do what it do. Now we're gonna start with our Got2b glue and I'm just gonna flip this wig up just a little bit. I have a really small forehead and you know, my edges are almost touching my eyebrows. So there's like not a lot of space for me to work with. The girlies that I see on YouTube, they take a little bit of gel and they put it on and they spread it out. My sideburns are not gonna stand a chance, I can tell you that. I got my blow dryer. This is blue hair paint wax, by the way, don't judge. I'm gonna blow dry this on hot or warm until this glue gets sticky. Then I'm gonna add another layer, blow dry that. Then I'm gonna add a layer of the Ebin spray, blow dry until it gets sticky, and then do it again. And then laid a wig. Maybe that's how you do it, maybe that's not how you do it, but that's how I'm doing it today.
That's why I did when I come home.
Wait, we good tonight?
No way.
You lied. I wish I had known I would have tried to get this done earlier. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna put a rush on this because I just found out I got somewhere to go. I got somewhere to be. So I'm gonna take this Wonder Glue. I'm not gonna do a second round of the glue. People say that this is really good and it has a great hold on its own. I'm gonna probably do 2 layers of this and blow dry between each one and see how this turns out. Oh, hell no. Baby, you could get me some tissue, please? Pretty, please. Thank you. I hope this doesn't ruin it because I'm rushing, but now I'm going to place the lace and I am going to take this comb . I did not just spray myself in the face. I did not just do that. Gonna take some concealer and put it on the lace. This concealer is darker than my complexion, by the way. Even though this was a rushed job, I did way better this time than I did the last time. Which, I mean, I'm not gonna be too hard on myself because The last time was my first time. And I'm just gonna put some down the middle of my part. You know what I forgot, y'all? Because I was in such a rush, do you know what I forgot? I forgot that I was supposed to tie it down with this thing. I low-key, high-key think I was supposed to do this before I actually put the makeup on the lace. But whatever. What's done is done. Alright. I am going to leave this on for about 15-20 minutes while I finish get ready. And then after I have it styled and I'm ready, I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay? Okay. Okay, y'all, so this is me. I'm ready. I really could have done a little more work on bumping the ends of this wig, but it is what it is. So, it's decent. Listen, for a second attempt, it's not super terrible, okay? Don't judge me, judge your mother, okay? It's not that bad, you know? For a second attempt, I'm afraid to raise this up. It's not super terrible. So my boyfriend just surprised me. My birthday is tomorrow, like I said, and I thought we were going out tomorrow. I knew he had a surprise. I just didn't know it was today. So when he came home, that's when I found out that we were going somewhere. I'm like, if I had known, I would have done this wig earlier in the day. But yeah, y'all, this is the wig. This is how it turned out. This is most definitely better than the first time I put a wig on my head. I mean, you know, don't zoom in too much. Don't look too close, but it's definitely giving. I have on my Libra necklace because I'm a Libra. I have on something that I feel looks like pumpkin patch worthy. My bugs. And yeah. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.